All right, so you know how everyone and their dog is talking about AI these days?
It's certainly dominating the headlines.
Yeah, and maybe you've even caught yourself thinking like, man, I wish there was a way I could actually do something with AI. Like, not just read about it,
Right.
actually build something cool.
Right. Get your hands dirty.
Exactly. Well, what if I told you there might be a way for you to do just that and potentially even make a good chunk of change in the process? And get this, no coding required.
Now, that would be a game changer for a lot of folks.
No kidding. We've been digging into this thing called AI Apps Empire, and it's making some pretty bold claims.
Oh, like what?
Well, they're saying it's the world's first AI that can turn basically any idea you have into a fully functional AI app.
Hold on. Any idea?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
And get this, they claim it can do it in about 60 seconds.
60 seconds. That's incredibly fast.
Right. I mean, when I first heard that, I was like, no way, that can't be possible. But they're really pushing this whole 60-second app creation thing.
So what's the catch? There's got to be a catch.
Well, we're going to unpack all of that. But first, you should know, it supposedly comes loaded with over 200 ready-made AI apps and 5, count them 5, ready-to-launch SaaS businesses.
SaaS meaning software as a service,
I
right?
got it. Basically, it means the software lives online, and people usually access it through a subscription instead of buying it outright.
Ah, okay. So you're saying with this AI apps empire thing, you could potentially have a bunch of AI-powered tools and even entire online businesses ready to go right out of the gate.
That's the idea. And the best part is you wouldn't need to be a tech whiz to make it happen.
That's a pretty compelling proposition, especially for folks who might have great ideas but lack the technical know-how to bring them to life.
Exactly. So imagine this. You launch your own agency specializing in AI-powered solutions.
Okay, I'm listening.
You start creating custom AI apps for clients, charging whatever you want. Or you could set up subscription services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, maybe even your own website.
So you'd essentially be leveraging AI to create and sell digital products.
Precisely. And the material we've been looking at suggests the potential to earn a significant income is definitely there.
Significant how? Give me some numbers.
They're even tossing around figures in the six-figure range. And remember all of this without needing any prior tech experience, no coding skills, and no recurring monthly fees for the platform itself.
No monthly fees. That's pretty unusual for these kinds of
I
platforms.
know, right? It definitely caught my attention. And hold on to your hats because there's more.
More.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
For a limited time, they're saying they're throwing in a free commercial license.
So you can actually use the apps you create to make money.
Yep. Plus, they're offering 24/7 VIP support.
Wow, they're really pulling out all the stops.
And the kicker, the regular price is apparently $97 a month, but right now you can get lifetime access for a one-time payment of just $16.97.
Whoa, hold up. $16.97 for lifetime access. That seems almost too good to be true.
I know, right? It's like, is this even real?
Hmm.
But that's what they're advertising.
Well, we definitely need to dig into this further.
Agreed. Okay, so let's break down how this whole AI apps empire thing supposedly works. They lay out a 3-step process.
3 steps to building your own AI software empire. Sounds simple enough.
Right, so step 1, you log in and bam, you've got access to over 250 pre-made AI apps.
Covering what kinds of areas?
Pretty much everything you can think of, from social media and SEO to e-commerce and beyond.
So basically a whole library of AI tools ready to go.
Exactly. And then step 2 is all about making it your own.
You mean customization?
You got it.
Yeah.
They say you can slap your own branding on these apps, add your logo, your colors, your unique style, all with just a few clicks.
Yeah.
No coding or design skills needed.
Or labeling, essentially.
Bingo. And then step 3 is the fun part. You hit that launch button and boom, your AI-powered SaaS business is live.
Just like that.
That's the claim. You can then start selling these apps to businesses, agencies, individual creators, whatever you want.
And how much are we talking price-wise?
They're saying you could potentially charge anywhere from $497 to $297 per app. Or you could set up those recurring subscriptions and aim for that 6-figure dream.
Those are some pretty healthy profit margins.
No kidding. Now, this whole thing feels like we might be witnessing the start of something really big, like an AI gold rush.
The gold rush.
Yeah, they're saying AI is transforming industries left and right. And those who are getting in early on this wave by creating and selling AI-powered tools are seeing some serious financial rewards.
Like those early imposters of the internet back in the day.
Exactly. And they're claiming the demand for these kinds of tools is absolutely exploding.
Makes sense. Businesses are always looking for ways to streamline their operations, become more efficient.
Precisely. And they're saying this is your chance to capitalize on this multi-billion-dollar AI boom without needing to learn how to code, hire expensive developers, or make a massive upfront investment.
It's a very enticing pitch for sure.
And to really drive the point home,
Mm.
they share a bunch of stories about everyday people who are supposedly achieving incredible success with AI apps.
Oh, tell me more.
Well, they mentioned this guy, Dawson Botsford, who apparently quit his job and built $1 million app in just 5 hours, working completely solo.
5 hours. That's insane.
Right. Then there's David Bressler, who also supposedly left his 9 to 5 to create $1 million AI app from scratch. And we hear about a Notion-based micro-SaaS success story, generating over $37,000 in monthly revenue.
Wow, these are some impressive figures.
I know. They also talk about Brett Malinowski, who had no prior coding experience, but managed to build an AI SaaS business, earning $50,000 a month without writing a single line of code himself. And then there's Fernando Pisano, who they describe as just an average guy, but he built 2 AI apps and is now supposedly raking in $15,000 a month.
So they're really highlighting the anyone can do this aspect.
Absolutely. They're painting a picture of regular people achieving extraordinary financial success using AI.
It's certainly a compelling narrative.
Now let's get into what supposedly makes this AI apps empire stand out. They're calling it the ultimate no-code AI game changer.
Okay, so what makes it so special?
Well, the main promise is that you can create, customize, and launch any AI app you can imagine in just a few clicks. No technical skills required. And they claim businesses are practically begging for these types of apps.
It sounds like they're really emphasizing speed and ease of use.
Exactly. And it's not just about individual apps. They're really pushing this idea of building your own fully fledged AI sauce empire.
So you could potentially create a whole suite of AI-powered tools.
Right? You could build and sell AI apps on autopilot, create a recurring subscription business, scale it up just like a big tech company.
That's a pretty ambitious vision.
They're not holding back. And they say
Right.
you can build AI apps for virtually any industry, marketing, e-commerce, local businesses, you name it.
So there's a lot of potential for niche specialization.
Absolutely. And they've got over 250 ready-made AI app templates that you can deploy in minutes.
So you can hit the ground running without having to build everything from scratch.
Precisely. And if you're feeling even more entrepreneurial, they're suggesting you could launch your own AI agency.
An agency.
Yep. You could build custom AI solutions for other businesses, charge premium prices for your services, and really expand your reach.
Interesting. So you'd be leveraging this platform to offer AI development services to clients who don't have the expertise in-house.
Exactly. And they even mention the ability to embed these AI apps anywhere. Websites, blogs, marketing funnels, you name it.
So you could integrate AI functionality directly into existing online platforms.
Yep. And you can even add your own affiliate links for extra monetization.
Smart. So they're really covering all the bases in terms of potential revenue streams.
Oh, yeah. They even list out a bunch of potential client types: coaches, consultants, marketing agencies, freelancers, e-commerce store owners, real estate professionals, basically anyone who could benefit from AI-powered solutions.
It sounds like they've really thought through the target market.
For sure. So they're essentially laying out a clear choice. You can either be on the winning side, launching branded AI apps, selling custom solutions, starting with proven templates, easily integrating them, solving real problems for clients, and expanding globally with multilingual capabilities. Or you can be on the losing side, wasting time and money on traditional development, missing out on this huge demand for AI building from scratch, potentially losing clients to competitors who are using more advanced tools, staying small, and struggling to build trust with unbranded solutions.
It's a pretty stark contrast they're painting.
No doubt about it. And to sweeten the deal even further, they're throwing in a whole bunch of exclusive fast action bonuses valued at $5,999.
Okay, what kind of bonuses are we talking about?
Well, they've got live training on creating interactive AI agents and scaling your business to $10,000 a month strategies for selling those agents, and running an agency techniques for automating business processes with AI agents, a guide to setting up a 247 customer support agency insider tips for running a successful lead generation business, a guide to creating virtual influencers, a step-by-step process for selling with interactive product demos methods, for generating high-quality lead strategies for using custom videos, and a blueprint for building a profitable multilingual marketing agency.
Wow, that's a lot of bonus content.
Right. It's like a whole educational package on top of the platform itself.
It definitely adds to the perceived value of the offer.
For sure. And they're backing it all up with a 30-day money-back guarantee. They say they're confident in the product's quality and its ability to help you grow your business.
So if you're not happy for any reason within 30 days, you can get a full refund.
Exactly. It definitely reduces the risk for anyone who's on the fence.
That's a smart move on their part.
So to quickly recap what you'd supposedly be getting with this AI apps empire thing, the ability to create and launch AI apps in minutes. No technical skills, needed the capability to create AI avatars of yourself or anyone else, train those agents with your knowledge in multiple languages, have them work 24/7 to bend them anywhere online, boost engagement and sales, provide round-the-clock customer support, launch your own AI agent creation agency, build and sell custom agents at premium prices, offer both branded and white label solutions, access over 60 pre-built AI agents, train your AI with various document types, create video, audio, and text-based agents, make them look and sound super realistic, customize everything, collect unlimited leads, ditch monthly fees, avoid hiring staff, get free hosting, and a commercial license. It's a pretty extensive list.
They're certainly packing a lot into this package.
No kidding, and they're making it very clear that now is the time to act. This is supposedly a limited time offer to get in at this special price.
They're playing the scarcity card.
Oh yeah, they're really emphasizing that the price is going to go up soon. And they also mentioned an optional upgrade for even more features and benefits, like faster servers, more AI credits, reseller tools, email templates, business card designs, icons, a business course, and an expanded commercial license.
It's a classic upsell strategy.
Now, they do address some common questions up front, which I think is helpful.
Like what?
Well, they clarify that the platform is web-based, so no downloads or installations required. They assure you that your investment is protected with a refund policy as long as you've genuinely tried the platform. They say they comply with all the relevant guidelines, although they recommend checking the terms of any third-party services you might integrate. They estimate that lifetime access means about 5 years of active support. The standard plan comes with a certain number of credits for AI processing, with options to buy more if needed. They believe their combination of advanced technology and pricing sets them apart from the competition. And they emphasize that there are no monthly fees during this launch period.
So they're trying to address any potential objections up front.
Exactly. They also say they provide detailed training and support, that the platform is compatible with various devices, that data security is a top priority, that the AI agents are basically AI assistants trained on the knowledge you give them, that anyone can create agents for all sorts of purposes, that the agents can speak multiple languages, that there are various voice options, including the ability to clone your own voice, that the agents use natural language processing and generative AI, that you can train them using PDFs and website URLs, that there are limits on how many documents you can upload initially, that you can update your agent's knowledge as needed, and that the basic plan supports avatar visuals in 5 languages.
It's good that they're being transparent about the details.
Definitely. So there you have it, folks, the AI apps empire laid bare. It certainly positions itself as a potentially game-changing opportunity for anyone looking to jump into the world of AI without any coding knowledge or a huge upfront investment.
It's definitely tapping into a growing trend of democratizing access to sophisticated technology.
Absolutely. And they're making a big deal about this being a limited time chance to get in at a special price.
So the message is clear. Don't miss out.
Exactly. Now you, our listener, have all the info. What will you do with it?
It'll be interesting to see how this no-code AI movement continues to evolve.
For sure. It feels like we're just at the beginning of something huge.
Agreed.
All right, folks, that's going to do it for this deep dive. Thanks for joining us.
Until next time.
And remember to check out my other videos.
Yeah, go check them out.
Thanks again.
See ya.